Hello again, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how we sort the problem out of the paint flaking on this bonnet deck panel on this 2013 Range Rover. So as you can see, it's a nice looking car, it's in good condition, but this flaky paint on this panel lets it down quite badly actually. So what I'm going to do, we're going to get this off and show you how we get that off, and we're going to take the body shop and have some paint work done, and hopefully we're going to have it painted to match the silver colour of the roof, so it all looks it all blends in quite nicely. So stick with me and we'll see how we get on. So what you need is a trim removal tool, something like this, and I've already released this one, but basically what you need to do is carefully work around the edge and gently lift the clips that are locking this in place. It's only held on with clips, nothing else. So once you've done all the clips, you can carefully lift it out of the way, and then you can see there's actually 20 clips in total. So if you're careful with your trim removal tool, you can gently ease them off, and then it's easy to remove them. And next thing we'll take to the body shop and see if we can get it painted. So here we are at the body shop, and we're just cleaning off underneath where the panel goes prior to refitting. So here we go, just fitting the panel now, lining it all up. As you can see, we've had it done in the silver to match the colour of the roof.
Press down now.
And there you go, just clips into place quite nicely.
I'll need a step ladder.
So there we go, all gone on quite nicely, and yeah, that definitely looks the part. So there we go, all done. Looks a lot nicer now. And I'd just like to say a big thank you to Craig and all the team at Fastlane Autos for getting that done for me. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.